In this video, I will show you on how you can add your Discord on your Roblox account. This is a step-by-step guide so you'll be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to navigate through the profile section of your Roblox account right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and open up or make sure that your account is on 13 plus. Now right after that, you want to go ahead and search RoPro on your browser. From here, we are going to install this into our browser right here. Go ahead and click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Now wait for this to load in. And right after that, all you have to do is to go ahead and refresh your Roblox page right here. Now right after, a new button will appear on the Roblox website, which is the RoPro plugin right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on it, and once inside, you then have the ability to link your Discord on your profile. So you can just go ahead and get the account info on your Discord right here. And right after that, you want to go ahead and click on save. Go ahead and refresh Roblox once more, and our Discord will be put on our Roblox. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.